Melbourne, a city to grow a portfolio. Let me share some ideas about why you should invest in property in Melbourne. Building a portfolio. The stability of the property market in Melbourne is an ideal environment to start and build a portfolio of property. In this illustration, you buy your first investment and add 2 more properties over the next 7 years. To make it simple, I am assuming that you will buy your first property in 2016, the second in 2020, using the equity from the first one, and the third in 2024, using the equity in the first 2. This means that you did not have to contribute any more money except the initial investment of 30% of the value of your first investment. The total time you will hold is 10 years. The assumption is that at the end of the 10-year term, you will sell all 3 properties to take back your initial investment and the profit you have made. Your initial investment of 145,000 Australian dollars grows over a period of time, and the result is a net profit of $459,000 at the end of 10 years, which is a 315% plus increase on your capital. How to plant the seed for free education. Many investors are parents of students planning to come to Melbourne for the purpose of education at one of the excellent universities in Melbourne. The benefit of buying an investment is that the son or daughter has a place to live while they study and can also rent out a second bedroom to another student. The property will keep appreciating in value while the students complete their studies. Many parents will sell the apartment at the end of their studies, and the capital gain will have paid for most of the cost of the education in Australia, plus return them a healthy net profit. In this example, if a child proposes to be in Australia for education in the year 2019, then an investment made in 2016 will make available close to $60,000 when the child arrives in Melbourne, and this amount will cover most of the fees for their education. If the investment is sold in another 3 years after the completion of their studies, the education has been paid from the property growth and a healthy net profit of 180,000 Australian dollars can be had. PE Capital, your second opportunity. For investors looking for returns without having to buy a property, I have an offer to excite you. PE Capital Limited is a Melbourne-based Australian financial services license holder who sources, develops and funds quality investments in qualified and identified growth areas. PEC is proud to offer this opportunity at Amstel Centre in Cranbourne. This development is one of 3 in close proximity to other PEC developments and is in the bustling southeastern development corridor of Melbourne, of which Dandenong is the capital city. The total investment opportunity is only $2 million and the minimum investment is 50,000 Australian dollars. The issuer is PEC Cranbourne SPV, Special Purpose Vehicle. The issue price is $1 per preference unit. Minimum investment is 50,000 units. Coupon 22.75 per annum. Term is 24 months. The manager will exercise its rights to buy back at face value plus coupon return. In summary, an investor will return $22,750 on every 50,000 Australian dollars invested over a period of 24 months. This investment opportunity is located southeast of Melbourne. This is the largest development corridor in the city of Melbourne. The Amstel Centre is located within a densely populated area of growth and serves the community along with 2 other PE Capital developments in the immediate area. PEC specializes in the commercial property development market space and delivers projects with major anchor tenants such as 7-Eleven and other large anchor tenants who will commit to 20 or 30-year leases. This strategy underpins the value of the development as the capital value of the individual spaces are directly related to the rental return. This site will be developed in 2 stages, which include a fuel station and car wash, commercial shops, a medical centre and a childcare centre. These tenancies are carefully chosen to reflect the needs of the local community. PEC holds an Australian Financial Services licence, which is closely regulated by Australian Securities and Investment Commission, ASIC. PEC is an experienced fund manager and, along with its in-house development management capabilities, gives its investors these enviable returns such as 22.75% per annum. The secure economic environment of Australia gives investors confidence, and the very strict regime provides the oversight of the Australian government to ensure that invested funds are protected and returns are as promised. To take advantage of this offer today, you need to ask the questions that concern you and then make a decision. The offer today is limited by stock and investment availability. Invst Australia markets these projects and investment opportunities in China, Singapore, Dubai, India and Nepal. Therefore, time is of the essence. The special offers are only for a limited time. I want to do business today. Melbourne is a city known for its vibrant cafe culture, and I hope that I can help you invest in the most livable city in the world, so that one day I can buy you a coffee in a cafe of your choice in Melbourne. I invite you to invest in Melbourne, to buy an apartment in the Spectral development, and to invest in the PE Capital Investment Opportunity and take advantage of the special offer today.